Hello guys, welcome to my channel Gauti on the road. So finally I'm out from their home as they gave me a really very good hospitality. They are really very good people. Actually when you are coming to Arunachal Pradesh you will meet only a good people. There are only good people. If you're stuck somewhere you can ask for help. They will really feel really good to help you. So you can't find any problem when you are here. So right now I'm going to Itanagar from here. So I just booked my cab over here from Itanagar. Actually that Ziro to Itanagar cab is cost few rupees, 550 rupees. It's a really very cheap price. Actually the roads are not here good and it's really very bad and pathetic. So right now I just thought to do hitchhiking, but the roads are so pathetic that you can't even do a hitchhiking. You have to stand at least for a one day over here if you want to do a hitchhiking. तो अभी तो फ़िलहाल मैं यहाँ पर वेट कर रहा हूँ 10:30 का मेरा कैब है, तो 10:30 जब आ जाएगी कैब तो मैं यहाँ से निकलूँगा। और आपको जो रोड्स की वजह से यहाँ पे हिचहाइकिंग में भी काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो हिचहाइकिंग मिलना बहुत ईज़ी नहीं है यहाँ पर। एटलीस्ट आपको वन डे भी यहाँ पर कभी-कभार ऐसा होता है कि बताते हैं यहाँ पर कि वन डे भी खड़ा रहना पड़ सकता है, तो हिचहाइकिंग बहुत यहाँ पर जाके बहुत मुश्किल है। सो राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ईटानगर। आई विल शो यू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ जर्नी from here to Itanagar, so stay tuned with me guys. So guys, I am right now on the Hapoli taxi stand. As you will get here any kind of cabs. So right now I am having the breakfast in the next to the Hapoli stand, as I showed you. I am eating it right now. This chapati and this aloo sabji they gave. Arunachal, let's eat and then I will go to. So after having the breakfast I will arrive for Itanagar from that cab. So I have seen most of the hotel in Arunachal Pradesh, women are working over here, and in this hotel women are working here also. But due to the bad roads and a pathetic road, you will reach after 5 hours from here, but it's a 3 hours way journey. So it's a rainfall time right now in April. So I just must say you never visit in April because it's not a good month to visit in Northeast India. You can visit in October to December. I have came here in a very wrong time. Or I am feeling very regret to come here because every day is a huge rainfall over here, so it's ruining my journey. So I will go mostly places or not due to the rainfall. Let's see how it will goes, and this will be the most amazing experience also, so stay tuned with me.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So today I showed you a Ziro to Itanagar journey. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit like, share, subscribe and comment your reviews also, and press the bell notification so you will not miss any of my videos update. Guys, if you want to donate me something for to cover my next travel expenses, so my UPI ID and my bank account detail are given in the description box. You can check out from there. So guys, keep traveling, keep exploring, stay tuned.